Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into my monthly skincare routine. This is a deep care routine I usually do just once a month. And this is how my face looks before we get started. Let's do this. Step 1. Cleansing. First things first, washing the face. I'm using the mixed fruit face wash from Cara. It is my absolute all-time favorite because it gives so much foam, and you guys know I love a good. Step 2. DIY exfoliation. Next up is a scrub, and today we're making a DIY version. I'm using some homemade orange peel powder and mixing it with a little bit of milk. And just like that, our DIY scrub is ready to use. It smells so fresh. Step 3. Brow mapping. Now for something a little different, face mapping. I do this to trim my eyebrows perfectly. I'm just using normal sewing thread and a bit of kajal. First, we cut the thread, coat it with the kajal, and map out the lines. This is my face afterward. I know, it looks so funny. I recently started doing this, so I'm definitely still a beginner. But honestly, it works so much better than just blindly trimming my brows. Step 4. Shaving and combing. Next up is shaving. For this, I'm using a facial razor and a generous amount of aloe vera gel to keep it smooth. And here is my skin right after shaving. So incredibly smooth. By the way, I've recently noticed a few new little spots or beauty marks on my face, and I have no idea why they popped up, but we're just rolling with it. To calm everything down after shaving, I'm applying a little bit of raw milk. I'll leave this on for about 5 minutes to soothe the skin. Step 5. Lips and moisture. While we wait, let's do a quick lip scrub. I'm using the Namyaa Lip Scrub to get rid of any dry skin. Finally, we are locking everything in with my current favorite moisturizer from Foxtale. It feels amazing on the skin. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this routine, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos. See you next time.